we are born in this world already with emotions? Yes. This is Money, and I coach people to become emotionally fit and healthy. Let us talk about this topic. So, in fact, I would say we carry our emotions right from our mother's womb. Right from there, we start to get some kind of feelings or emotions. And once we are out, that starts getting expressed. How is that? The basic instinct like hunger, sleep, the feeling, the attachment, all these comes right from the mother's womb. As our brain starts developing there, we tend to get these feelings as well, which are like preloaded. So let's compare our mind to a computer, a laptop or a PC. It comes preloaded with some kind of set of programs, like how we have preloaded certain kind of emotions. And once we are out in this world, as we see, as we feel, as we hear things using our five senses, we capture each of it, and then starts our experience, and then we form our own basis and our own understanding of each and every experience. And that's how our emotions start to grow. And the interesting part is not that we can, it's because we learn this, not that we cannot have control over it. We definitely can control them since it is learned through life. And normally when it happens that when I talk to people, I find that some people believe or accept the fact that this is what they are and nothing can be done about this particular emotion. And they are this way, this is their character. Like I get angry at small things, or I get upset with even small differentiation that I see in life or at work. But that's not the case. These are things that we have learned right from our birth to what we are today, which means it can be changed. It's like a program. In software terms, a program once built, it's not that it's permanent. You can still change the code, which basically can alter the program to give the end result. Similarly, our mind is programmed with certain set of emotions that we have built over from our childhood, from our birth, by seeing, by hearing, by feeling, by smelling, everything, using all the five senses. Now, it has got into our subconscious mind to that level that we are saying, no, this is what it is and I'm this way. But let me tell you, there are ways to change it as well. I don't know if you have noticed that many people would be of some particular type during their childhood days, even including you. You must have seen as a child, you must have been an introvert, or you must be shy, or you must be having a different character. But as you grow up, you must have changed. You come to a different level because of all this that you have experienced and new learnings and your own emotions. That's how a character gets built up. Similarly, even at any point of time, age is not a matter. Even it is 30, 40, 50, 60. At that point, if there is something that is really troubling you, or there is things which you feel that difficult to manage, there are ways to manage those particular emotions and then get better. At least for the rest of the life, you can really be happy. You can live fulfilled about whatever emotions. So that's what I help people in doing. So if you are interested, do keep watching me, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on my Facebook group, which is called Be Emotionally Fit, and you will get to know and hear more from me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.